Hi everyone, so today I'm making a humble apple pie. So first of all, how to make our pie. We need about 8 or so apples, and I tend to like using Granny Smiths or cooking apples which have a bit more tart and flavour. And then add some cinnamon, and we've got some brown sugar there as well. So to start off, I have about 8 apples here. I've picked from our apple tree out in the garden over there. They're still growing at the moment, so we decided to use them. So I've got about 8 apples, and I'm going to make them into an apple pie. So first thing we have to do is we have to peel and core our apples. You want to chop them into slices using a knife. Then once you have chopped all your apples up and you've peeled and cored them, pop them into a bowl. So we're going to add some flour, dust some flour over our apple slices. This is going to kind of soak up the extra moisture, but to make the filling a bit more kind of thick as well. So we've got lots of cinnamon in there. Love cinnamon. Cinnamon works really well with apples, and brown sugar. We're going to add in some lemon juice as well. Find a suitable sized pie dish that you're going to use, and then if you want, you can use shop bought and short crust pastry, which I've used because it's super quick and easy to do, or you can make your own pastry. You want to layer the bottom of your pie dish and make sure there are no holes or anything, so just fill in the gaps. Then once that's done, then you add in all your apple mixture, checking that there isn't any excess moisture as well. So we don't want a soggy bottom, so that's why we make sure the apples are kind of dry when we put them in the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to top it with our short crust pastry, our second bit, and we're going to crimp the edges. So crimp the edges and place it inside of the pan, not outside, inside. This is a crimping effect. It also kind of seals all the apples inside, so you know that everything stays nice and neat. Place a little bit of egg wash on the top and pierce some little holes as well, so the steam has got somewhere to escape. And then with the crimping edges, you just want to cover that with foil, so when it bakes it doesn't burn in the oven. So that will go in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then you can remove it from the oven, take off the foil, and then put it back in for another 30 minutes until golden and bubbling inside. So I served up this apple pie, warm with some custard, which was great for a family get together. Really tasty. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll be putting out more videos soon. Thanks.